The problem was I was not getting interview calls. There were too many suggestions, but then how to do the exact thing, I didn't know that. It was a journey up and down, up and down. तो कभी motivation high होती थी, कभी low हो जाती थी. I could connect on certain levels with Ishank, with Bani. The content was very relatable, so that made me decide that I have to go for it. उधार लिया और I went in. मेरी learnings बहुत रही हैं इस पूरी journey में. It has humbled me a lot. पहले वर्दी बनो, फिर आपको जो मिलना है वो मिल जाएगा. आई थिंक सेटिंग अ गोल इज इंपॉर्टेंट. लाइक आई वाज एमिंग फॉर अ वेरी हाई जॉब. सिंगल एम वाज टू गेट अ जॉब बिफोर नवंबर एंड्स. बिफोर नवंबर एंडेड आई हैव दैट. वेदर योर कैमरास आर ऑन और नॉट, वेदर यू आर स्पीकिंग और नॉट, वेदर यू आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस और नॉट, एवरी सिंगल थिंग मैटर्स. जब आप उस कॉर्पोरेट एनवायरनमेंट में जाओगे, दिस विल बी एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू. स्टार्ट योर डे with applying first. वो अगले साल आपको जो वैल्यू मिलेगी उस चीज से is more than anything else. मैं डायरी और पेन लेके बैठा था every day and I would make notes of what other people have done right, what other people have done wrong. Nothing changes actually, you know. If you get a job, nothing should change. Oh my God, मुझे जॉब लग गई है, चलो आज तो चैन करेंगे. नहीं कर सकते आप चैन. Don't waste time. I didn't have the money. Beg, borrow, steal, get it done.
So सबसे पहले congratulations Gaurav, very happy for you, very proud of you. I think I saw your text yesterday. You have gotten 2 offers at this time, and
Yes, that's right.
तीसरा भी process चल रहा है. So उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. Just for context, everybody, Gaurav is into sales. He has experience from India, and Gaurav also has a son. He has a family. He has responsibilities, and उस सारी चीजों के साथ साथ Gaurav was able to get 2 if not 3 offers. That's something I'm very proud of. I'm very happy for him, and Gaurav से भी बात करेंगे so that you guys can learn from his journey. So Gaurav, starting from the start, please tell everyone why did you join the coaching in the first place?
Sure. Thank you so much, Ishank. Hi everyone. The problem was that I was not getting interview calls. My experience was good, but then since I was new here, I moved here this year in February. I didn't know how to steer through the entire chaos. That was the biggest problem. And there were too many suggestions, but then how to do the exact thing, I didn't know that. And because I was not getting calls, it was getting very draining for me to keep on applying and not getting any calls, any interviews. So maybe before I joined the coaching, I had just one interview randomly. And just after joining the coaching, I had one, but then I could not clear it in the final round. I went through 6 rounds. I failed in the last one because I was very bad with my basics. I screwed up there. So I needed something to be fixed. And that's how I landed with Immigration Ninja.
Immigrant Ninja भाई.
I'm sorry.
तो ठीक बोला.
मैं फिर से बोल देता हूँ Immigrant Ninja. तो हम रेट कर पाएंगे फिर.
Okay, good. So अब इतने सारे लोग आपको सुन रहे हैं गौरव. Let's start with इन सबको, स्पेशली जो नए बच्चे आए हैं, इनको आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहोगे?
सजेशंस बहुत सारे हैं बिकॉज मेरी लर्निंग्स बहुत रही हैं इस पूरी जर्नी में. इट हैज हम्बल्ड मी अ लॉट. सो आई थिंक टू स्टार्ट विद, we might be having so many experiences, we might be having so many achievements under our belt, but what matters is, do you have the humility to keep going and to accept what's coming and to become ready and capable for what you are asking for. So I think what biggest takeaway I had from this entire learning with Immigrant Ninja has been that पहले वर्दी बनो, फिर आपको जो मिलना है वो मिल जाएगा. और ऐसा नहीं है कि एक बार में सब कुछ मिलेगा. It is a long journey. So if you're aiming for, like I was aiming for a very high job because of my experience, I'm starting with an entry level role, which is okay because my single aim was to get a job before November ends. And I set that goal 4 weeks back. Before November ended, I have that. So I think setting a goal is important. Being humble about it is also important. I would suggest everyone, please go through every week quickly but effectively. Follow what has been told to you. That's the most important thing. We all have our perspectives on how these things should be done, but keeping everything aside, वो कहते हैं ना खाली सीडी लेके बैठो तो भरना आसान है. तो खाली सीडी बन जाओ, उनको भरने दो, उनको पता है वो क्या करवा रहे हैं आपसे. They have done this, they have got results. trust them, trust the process, and move through it quickly. Because मैंने काफी time waste किया. I joined on April 26th to be precise. I got my first interview without any inputs that I had got from here. Within the next 2 weeks, एक interview था जिसमें मैं last round में जाके बहुत बुरा किया मैंने. And post that, there were no interviews. So it was a journey up and down, up and down. तो कभी motivation high होती थी, कभी low हो जाती थी. But these weekly calls helped me to remain connected, to be sane. So the second advice would be, please do attend these calls whenever you can, however you can. It is setting you up for where you want to be. So if you want to be into a corporate work culture, it is teaching you that right now. We might not realize it. It is doing that for you at this moment. Whether your cameras are on or not, whether you're speaking or not, whether you're asking questions or not, every single thing matters. Because जब आप उस corporate environment में जाओगे, this will be expected from you. Next would be, like I said, don't waste time. Every week should be done quickly. I think what is important is once you have got to the week 3rd and week 4th, where everything is set, your resume, your LinkedIn, and everything is done, you know how to go about interviews and how to apply for organizations, you should keep doing it consistently. I had this problem where I had so many responsibilities. I was doing a couple of other things as part-time also, and this will happen. I know I've seen in these calls, there are so many people who are doing 2 part-times, 3 part-times, they don't get time. But I think the best suggestion that I could give is what I have received from this community only, is that start your day with applying first. 1 घंटा कम सो लो, 1 घंटा अप्लाई कर लो. वो अगले साल आपको जो वैल्यू मिलेगी उस चीज से, वो 1 घंटा सुबह देने से is more than anything else. And then वो आपको फिर बाकी 3 पार्ट टाइम्स नहीं करने पड़ेंगे शायद. Also,
Okay.
sorry, I think बहुत लंबा बोल गया.
Also, one more question I had for you. I was very curious about this, Gaurav. When you said you had a hard stop at November, why was that? Why that specific deadline, November?
I had had enough, Ishank. I was like, क्या हो रहा है ये? I am capable. I am not able to get jobs. I am applying, but then कुछ हो नहीं रहा. Nothing was moving, and I was doing the part times. They were not paying enough, and I knew I'm more than that. I didn't want to be stuck with that and get into the new year with this feeling. अच्छा अभी भी नहीं है जॉब. चल अगले साल देख लेते हैं. छुट्टियां आ रही हैं, कोई बात नहीं, जॉब नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है, बहुत लोगों को नहीं मिल रही है, अभी सब कुछ ठंडा पड़ जाएगा. So I think one mock that I had with you 2-3 weeks back, where I was preparing for an interview, I was not very prepared to meet you that day, and I was very lost. And you asked me questions about the exact sales interview, how it happens. I was very bad with that. I was screwing up. And Ishank was point blank. यार ये क्या हो रहा है? ये कैसे आंसर दे रहा है? तू सेल्स करता है, तू 10 साल से सेल्स करता है. I don't believe this because your answers are not in sync. And I don't know, something hit me. And again next week I was trying to book a mock with him. मैंने बुक किया, पिछली रात को मैंने कैंसिल कर दिया because I did not want to go into the mock not prepared. I understood the problem was with me. I am not doing enough to prepare myself to be able to sit in front of Ishank. And in the previous call, Ishank had mentioned about why a mock is important, why you should do a mock. It is not about just coming into a mock and saying, Ishank, मुझे कुछ भी पूछो ना, I want to practice. You have other things to practice. Ishank's time should be used to make yourself better, not make yourself basic. So वो मैंने, I think Ishank को मैंने message भी किया था कि Ishank, I don't want to waste your time. I think I'll work on myself first and then maybe meet you. And then we had a mock when everything was in the last round and I wanted his suggestions and his guidance, his expertise. So I think, yeah, I wanted to get a job ASAP. I didn't want to waste much time. I was like, anything concrete will be fine with me in terms of full time, but just not need the part time.
Okay. And फिर जब finally सब कुछ हो गया, offer letter आपको आई, what was your reaction then?
I think बहुत दिनों से अंदर दबा के बैठा था बहुत कुछ. So I remember going to the other room. My wife was there and she was into some meeting. I asked her to mute herself and put her video off. And I told her about this. And I jumped and I, air pump, the fist up करते रहते हो. I was doing that. मतलब 5 मिनट में पागल हो गया था. Because I had dropped that belief that I can get it. I had completely lost hope. But then the newfound confidence in myself and the ability that I can do it, and having that self-confidence, because to give you a context, uh, I joined a job fair last week. वहां पे आई मेट 5 different companies. सबसे मेरी बात हुई, सबने मुझे बोला इंटरव्यू दे दो या फिर अप्लाई कर दो. 2 of them, these offers that are there, are from that job fair. And I was so stupid of not exploring that option. एक दो बार पहले भी ऑप्शन आया था कि चले जा सकते हैं. I did not go. I was just applying. So another suggestion would be, keep your eyes open and be out there. Let people be seen that you are looking for a job. I met people, I spoke to them, they pushed my CV, and then finally I could do it within 1 week.
Good. And now that you've been through
आपका
the coaching and you've gotten the result, what do you think was your favorite part of the coaching?
I think there were so many, because everything contributed to my victory today. I would say most important was these weekly calls, because मैं diary और pen लेके बैठा था every day whenever I was there, and I would make notes of what other people have done right, what other people have done wrong. I don't want to repeat those mistakes, and I want to be consistent with what they have done right. So these weekly calls helped me really build my mindset to stay consistent, because some people were getting jobs every single week, and no, it is not fake. It is real people getting real jobs with actual OTEs. So I've seen these people, and trust me, it motivates you a lot. If you're feeling down, Tuesday अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, Wednesday morning अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, शाम को आओ, कॉल पे बैठो, अपने आप 4 एप्लीकेशन कर दोगे कॉल के बाद. आई हैव डन दैट.
Okay. Bani, on a question.
It was the same question. And I think the salary is more than 70K OT, right? Gaurav, आप मेरे को explain कर रहे थे.
हाँ. तो base is about 45, and then there is a incentive structure which is gradual. So आपको gradually it increases as many admissions you get.
Okay. What was your parents' reaction?
My mother started crying, because I have not been talking to her much for the last 3 weeks. जब से मैंने वो blinders लगा ली थी कि मेरे को तो नहीं पता मुझे job चाहिए. I am not there. And parallelly, I was also doing a bridging program. So I was busy the entire day. I was not getting time, then the part-time and everything. So I was like, I was not talking to her. And she knew that I'm doing something, and I did not tell her anything about the entire process. I'm applying, I'm giving interviews now. कुछ हुआ है, 3rd round, 2nd round, ये interview, कुछ किसी को नहीं बताया था. I just kept mum, and I think I called her the first thing in India when it was morning, just routinely, and I video called her and said, I've got a job. She didn't believe. She said, what? And the second thing I know, she started crying. And my father passed away last year, so I just went to his photograph. I just, folded my hands, bowed on my head, and said, thank you that I've got it.
Okay. Good. So you're the man of the house now. Okay. Good.
I have an elder
Yes.
brother. He's there in India.
Okay.
But then
Yeah.
here, I am the man of the house with my wife and my kid here.
Yes. No, good. आपके बच्चे को पता है like job क्या होता है, क्या नहीं होता? What was his
उसको
reaction?
बहुत कुछ पता है.
Okay.
पता है. Because the other day I was just going to drop him to daycare, and I got the call from the second offer. And he heard me talk on the speaker while I was driving. And he said, okay, this was this guy who called you. So, yes, you know his name? He said, I know his name, I heard it. He told his name. And then I explained to him, very basic बच्चे की language में मैंने उसको समझाया कि यार 2 ऑफर हैं, एक ऐसा एक ऐसा. So what do you think I should go for? Because one has weekends off, one does not have. What do you want me to do? Because I wanted a suggestion. It's very important for me, because I want him to start thinking that way. And he tells me, Papa, I want you in the weekend. So you take the other one. I'm like, wow.
So sweet.
मैं कहा, ठीक है, अच्छी चीज सीख रहा है.
Good.
He's very happy.
What advice would you have for someone who's still on the fence about joining the coaching?
Don't waste time. I didn't have the money. Beg, borrow, steal. Get it done.
Okay. Precise
Gaurav,
and to
I'm
the
also
point. Good.
curious to know, why did you join our coaching over other career coaches?
This has to be my wife, because she was the one who introduced me to your content. So हम लोग होता ना Instagram पे आप अपने स्पाउस को या गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड जो भी आप भेजते रहते हो. तो हम तो आए थे उस टाइम, वेले थे, कुछ था नहीं फेब्रुअरी में करने को. So we would just send Instagram reels to each other, and then that's when I saw one of your reels. I think she sent Banika, and then I was curious. I was like, बहुत genuinely कुछ बोल रहे हैं ये लोग, क्या बोल रहे हैं समझते हैं. So there were 1, 2, 3 weeks of following you and then researching about you, and then researching about another company as well, जिसके बारे में मुझे कुछ ज्यादा मिला नहीं. एंड उनकी एक कोई मॉक कॉल भी थी. आई थिंक कुछ तो रेज्यूमे रिव्यू करते हैं, कुछ तो करते हैं, आई डोंट नो. मैं नहीं गया उसमें. एंड देन वो बहुत सेल्स ही लगा मुझे फिर बाद में, कि पीछे पड़े हुए थे, all those communications. So about you, what I liked the most was it was raw, it was real, it was human, and your results speak when I go to your reviews, when I go looking for people who are there, have got the results. So it speaks volumes, and I don't need any other proof. Social proof is the biggest proof. मैंने ज्यादा रिसर्च और उसके बाद किया नहीं, बिकॉज आई वाज कन्विंस्ड, आई वाज सोल्ड. बहुत लोग आगे भी कर लेते हैं रिसर्च एंड दे टॉक टू पीपल डायरेक्टली, क्या क्या जॉब लगी, कैसा हुआ, नहीं हुआ. बट आई थिंक आई वाज कन्विंस्ड एंड आई कुड कनेक्ट ऑन सर्टेन लेवल्स विद ईशांक, विद बानी. The content was very relatable, so that made me decide that I have to go for it, and I spent around 3-4 weeks deciding, and then finally I thought थोड़े पैसे हैं, थोड़े चाहिए, तो उधार लिया और I went in all in.
Okay.
Actually.
Okay, good. I'm
Great
very glad it
story.
worked out. Yes.
The best part for me is कि आपने नवंबर की डेडलाइन रखी and उससे पहले आपको जॉब मिल गई.
Yes. And that too 2 offers, and
Thank
अभी एक ऑफर तो आनी है, अभी उसका देखते हैं क्या होता है.
Hmm.
पर
Because that is the role I'm planning. I had that experience also.
Yes.
This is also I
Yes.
had experience with, so it's not very unrelated. But I
Yes.
want to give my 100% in this role. I want to
Yes.
be making sure that I get going fast and don't waste time.
Yes, but a huge testament to this idea that first nothing happens, but then if you keep consistent, if you keep working hard, then everything happens at once. There are
100%.
decades where nothing happens, and then there are weeks where decades happen. So very happy for you, yeah, Gaurav. Very proud of you. अभी इसके आगे काफी आपको जाना है. थोड़ा सा अब this is just your foot into the door. Your next job will easily be 6 figures अगर इसमें आपका track record अच्छा है. Next job is account executive, easy 6 figures, and उसके बाद it's all uphill from there. So super excited for you, and also super excited that you'll be able to spend the weekends with your kid, which I think is the most important part. And
Yes, it is.
thank you so much for coming and inspiring so many people here.
No problem. I'll keep on coming here. You will keep seeing my face instead of having a job. Nothing changes actually, if you get a job. Nothing should change. So ईशान की ही बात मैं रिपीट करूंगा. He's like मेरा Monday to Sunday एक ही रहता है. I follow the same routine. So I think I've taken a leaf from his experience, and I try to keep all my days same, where I am consistently applying. And right now when I have a job, I don't want it to feel like, oh my God, मुझे जॉब लग गई है, चलो आज तो चैन करेंगे. नहीं कर सकते आप चैन. आप नहीं कर सकते.
Yeah.
आप कर लोगे तो फिर आप पीछे चले गए वापस. जो प्रोग्रेस की थी सब पानी में चली गई. You cannot.
Yeah. No, good. I'm very happy you remember that part, and you're taking more with you apart from just career wala stuff. I'm very happy.
No, there are so many things, Ishan. I think I can write a book and I can send it to you, and you can publish it with your quotes and your, inspirations that you have shared in the group. Because I think quotes really motivate me, and what you say and why you say is more important than what you have said exactly. What is the reason behind it, where it is coming
Yeah.
from. So I think I
Yeah.
take a lot of importance in those things, and that motivates me.